In a world where multimedia continually keeps asserting its importance, professionals seek tools that could make their work more efficient. If you are looking for this exact sort of tool for yourself and your creative team, we have just the right product for you. Today you will be introduced to Croc.io, but first be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to be reminded of new uploads. Now let's get to the main thing. Project management applications and tools have been in much use by creative professionals recently. With the viability of YouTube as a legitimate media platform and the explosion of clients paying for creative work online, they have definitely become a necessity. Manual methods of project management are fraught with difficulties such as extreme inefficiency, scheduling conflicts, and coordination issues with the creative team at work. In the earliest days, people simply passed around storage devices and made great strides with simple pen and paper if they were diligent planners. Today, however, the workload has increased tenfold for many creative professionals, and thus a solution was urgently needed. Many software developers started to come up with project management solutions. Affordable options began to come out around 2008, and mobile integrations began to be offered from 2012. As of 2021, many notable solutions are being offered by various providers. Examples range from KissFlow Project, Asana, Frame.io, Whipster FileStage, and many more. Some of these are more specialized compared to others. In the case of Frame.io, it was developed with a very specific focus on video editing and composition. A seamless environment for a whole team to work on video projects is what is offered by Frame.io. Some of them are also limited to web browsers, which may prove to be limiting for some users. Many of them, such as Whipster, are also utilized by well-known major companies such as Apple, Intel, Dell, and Leica, but they are also priced proportionally. Asana is another example that is quite high profile and well used by top companies. As of November 2018, Asana was valued at $1.5 billion and it went public 2 years later. KissFlow Project currently advertises itself as a direct competitor to Asana through marginally better and more powerful features comparatively, but they both exist in similar pricing brackets. The only advantage Asana probably has is its Open Application Programming Interface (API), which allows company programmers to customize Asana in an unlimited number of ways. Regardless, most creative developers are looking for methods that will allow them to get things done with as little cost as possible. This is especially the case for startup animation studios, YouTube channels, and 3D modeling agencies. However, some of these are instead way too limited in their scope and lack crucial feedback provision features. The other obvious option then is to use the free or lower priced offers on apps such as Asana and Whipster. This leaves us with a niche in the market still largely untapped by any of the current players. There are a few capabilities that all project management software packages should offer. Some of these include the ability to properly visualize projects, complex task management, to-do lists, time trackers, detailed reporting, and good collaboration features. All these features are properly included and developed in an affordable package within Croc. Croc or Croc.io is one of the most recent introductions to the market, and you should definitely use it. Croc was designed to solve a few specific and critical issues creative professionals regularly find themselves running into. There are many examples of such issues, starting with the stress of juggling all the routine tasks and assignments and keeping clients happy at the same time. Designating specifications to team members can often run you into lockups with conflicting timing and creative blocks. Most project management applications available online are often very limited in their focus. Many of them are also packed with features that will never be used, or they may require special intensive training to use. Top it all off with the costs involved, and the situation can easily seem quite dire. Croc is one of the few online management solutions available that makes the entire experience as easy and painless as possible. According to founder and CEO Alex Tahanchin, Croc was designed to solve management issues faced by his team working for animation agency Hound Studio. He stated that his team needed a tool that would feature an effortless client feedback process with easy access to project overview and a comprehensive task management system with a commenting feature. Tahanshan could not find any app that would properly serve all these requirements, so he decided to build one himself for internal use. Later on, he decided to launch it publicly under the name Croc.io. Let's go over the various features and specifications offered by Croc that make it so unique. We can start with the workspace and the dashboard. From the dashboard itself, you can create an unlimited number of workspaces for use in dealing with specific clients or for use by specific subsections of your creative team. All workspaces may also be greatly customized, including the option to add a client's or your company's logo. Analytics are also covered by the dashboard itself, with data provided to be seen prominently. The most pertinent information, such as upcoming deadlines, statuses of current tasks, latest comments, and what is under client review, are all easily viewable. Filter options are also provided for you to choose whether you want to view data related specifically to you or view data related to all of your team members' work alongside it. The Projects tab allows you to view all your current projects at a glance with their statuses, pertinent dates, deadlines, attached tags, and links for sharing. Going back to the dashboard, you can see the option for a calendar view, which offers a unique way of tracking project progress. Much like the loading screens in video games, you can see progress bars for each project and assignment. Next up, the ability to create custom project pipelines. Separating your projects into these pipelines allows your team to manage different projects with vastly varying aims and outcomes seamlessly. The various step types available for you to construct your pipeline include PDFs, images, videos, and storyboards. Version control is also another useful ability offered by this pipeline feature. Making various versions of your creative work is inevitable, and different versions could be mixed up easily in confusion. With version control features as concise and clear as this, you can work your way up to the right one and even backtrack with ease and without headaches. Templates can also be made for use on future assignments with similar specifications. An efficient feedback cycle is also something Croc prides itself on. You can add text and visual comments on media files uploaded for projects and tap on specific spots that you want to highlight. This is particularly useful for video creation assignments, and comments can be marked as resolved to note completion or fixing of issues identified. Filter options can be used to decide who they are visible to, and email notifications can be set up for whenever new feedback is added. Finally, we come to the features for reviewing projects. Most creative industry professionals will agree that the review process is where most delays arise, with emails being sent back and forth with clients. Everyone's job is made easier when the communication and corroboration process is simple, clear, and delivered quick. On Croc, when clients receive a review request, they can either choose to accept or reject a post-review with the click of a button. Detailed notes can also be left along with the decision, so you have a better idea of exactly why your client sent your project back for changes. A wide range of application integrations include Google Meet, Zoom, Slack, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and Jitsi to make sharing files even less of a hassle. At a glance, it is clear that Croc presents an easy onboarding solution for both creative production teams and their clients. Clients have stated that the app does not grind them down with unnecessary features, and no extra training is required to operate it. The app is being continuously improved at its early stages, with the Croc development team actively listening to user feedback and suggestions. This makes Croc one of the most adaptive project management applications available. Now we want to hear from you. What are some of your most frustrating experiences working on creative projects? What do you think of Croc? Would you make use of its robust features for your own projects? Be sure to let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to be reminded of new uploads.